So today we're gonna replace this. I'm sick and tired of this anyways. I noticed some corrosion going on here, so obviously if I don't get this fixed it's gonna burst soon. And while we have it there, might as well put a valve. It's easier to turn this off than it is to turn off the main. So this is what it looks like before, and I'll show you the process. Alright, Home Depot's my go-to place. This setup is unique to me, so if you want to copy me, pause this video. And that is the main. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the main. I know it's a bit dirty down there. There you go. There you go. And it's off. I went ahead and cut off the bottom piece, and I'm using this cutter to cut that. You can use a reciprocating saw if you want to be a little rough, but this is probably your better option. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Don't you dare do so if your irrigation is working fine. Mine isn't, so I'm going to replace the whole thing. And I'm actually going to put it towards the left, as you'll see. To take this part off, you need to heat it up and pretty much yank it out. As you can see, when heated up, water starts popping out, which is pretty cool. Suck the water out. It's easier to sweat it when it's dry. I'm using my drill as a sander, and it's very important you do so here because you got some old paint. It won't sweat right, you know, and you'll have some leaks. So make sure you get it good. I'm dry fitting everything, and you should too. Dry fitting is very important. Once it's good, prep it so you can lock it down. Assuming you know how to sweat copper, if you're watching this video. If you don't know how to do so, then you shouldn't be doing this, man. Or woman, I guess. And it fits just nicely. I like it. I'm using liquid Teflon here to put in the hose bib and the vacuum breaker. Forgot to put this part for the hose bib. So here I am putting it. And I like the way it looks, so I'm going to lock it down. And this is what it looks like when it's all together. Pretty easy. I don't like the paint there, so I'm going to sand that off too. Well, for the most part I will. And I'm actually not going to keep the copper exposed like that, so I'm going to go ahead and paint it to so it helps with the aging, you know. This is primer, and I'm putting 2 coats. Don't be lazy, 2 coats are good. And once that's dry, put in your paint. I'm using porcelain paint, which is probably weird for most people, but I like porcelain paint. It's waterproof and it holds pretty strong. Final product looks really nice. I love it and I'm very happy. Definitely a lot better than the old setup. Very, very different.